Alright, so for problem number 1, they give us a coordinate point, and they want us to find cosine. So basically what they do is they say the terminal side of angle theta is in the position that passes through the point 15, 8. So I'm just going to eyeball it. So I would go over, remember this is x, comma, y. So I would go over like 15 units here and then go up 8. So that would be like right here, 15, 8. And so essentially our angle is from here to here. So this is our angle theta. And then remember that this creates a right triangle. And so this is our, and if you think about this, to go from here to here, that's my x value, so x equals 15, and then to get to this point up here, I've got to go up 8 units. So my y value equals 8. Okay? And so remember that this point is x, comma, y. Well, I probably should review this. This is quadrant 1, this is quadrant 2, here is quadrant 3, and here is quadrant 4. Also, you have to remember this, that this is all smart trig classes. Now, that's a mnemonic device that helps me to remember that all the trig functions are positive. This is just sine that's positive. This is tangent that's positive, and this is cosine. So this would be sine. And it's reciprocal, which would be cosecant. Those are both positive. This would be tangent, and this would be cotangent. Those are positive. And then over here we have cosine and secant are positive. Just something that kind of, I just want to keep repeating it so it sticks. So now remember that cosine, though, however, that's what they want, is they want the exact value of cosine. So remember that cosine of theta is equal to x over r. So what I need to do is figure out what r is. Well, to find r, I'm just going to say x squared plus y squared equals r squared. So then I would say x, which is 15 squared, plus 8 squared equals r squared. Well, 15 squared is 225, plus 8 squared, which is 64, is equal to r squared. That becomes 289 equals r squared. And then when you take the square root of this, remember with the square root, you got to do plus or minus always. And so it would be plus or minus 17. But how I determine if it's positive or negative depends on what quadrant it lives in. So since all of them are positive, this would be a positive 17. So then cosine would just be x, which is 15, over r, which is positive 17. And that is the answer.